You have to tell her, you have to move her. Then she will stop. Oh, Kamari snoring? She's like a motor, like Gojek. Kamari Gojek.
Itu suara ngoroknya Kamari dikirimin sama Mbak.
Oh, dear. You have to tell her, you have to move her. Then she will stop.
Not normal?
No, but you have to move her. Tell Mbak to move her.
Pertama kali denger Kamari ngorok segede gitu. Iniin aja, digerakin dikit aja Mbak biar dia nggak itu. Poco, so cute, putih patuti.
I want to see her, bro. Like I should not sleep here. Terima kasih banyak. I love you all.
See you
And
tomorrow.
Jennifer gonna give me massage now.